So in front of me, I have a gaming laptop. This gaming laptop actually claims to be the smallest, the thinnest 15-inch gaming laptop ever. And it's from Razer. And I think that's exciting. I think it's interesting. It is one of the downsides of gaming laptops. They tend to be bulky in order to fit in those heavy-duty graphics that you're looking for. Thin and light and gaming, to this point, haven't really gone together in a package that has made sense. Razer claims to have fixed that. Here is the specifications. It's the Blade 15.6 inch, and here you can see the spec line. There is the 144 hertz gaming version of the panel of the display, which is only 1080p, and then there's the one I have here. I'm just a junkie for resolution. This is the 4K version, UHD, at 60 hertz. This 4K version, it's also a touchscreen if that's important to you, including the 512GB SSD GTX 1070 baked in as well. Oh, you know what? They might be right. Look how thin this box is. Holy smokes. Very thin laptop box. Power brick is no joke. That's a bit of a powerhouse. And you can see that it's proprietary. Ooh. Oh my. Simple branding, simple product design, matte black finish. It kind of looks like a tool. It looks industrial. I like that. Ooh, nice and simple. You see the keyboard layout, the speaker location. What a perfect location for speakers. Why not? A larger trackpad as well, I noticed straight away. GTX 1070 Max Q design, and of course that 8th gen Core i7, which is 6 cores, 12 threads, up to 4.1 gigahertz. Holy smokes, on your laptop. Can you really complain? Probably not. And even though it's 15.6 inches in display size, it's actually smaller than the previous version 14-inch Razer Blade laptop. So they've packed more into less here. We have Thunderbolt 3, USB 3.1, HDMI, a mini display port, and a Kensington lock. And then over on the left, we have the power port, 2 more USB 3.1s, and an audio jack. Ooh. Very sturdy though. Immediately we get the green backlighting. It is quite brilliant, as you can see there. On the sides we have this crazy slim bezel, and even the top, which houses the front-facing camera, is pretty slim comparative to what I've seen in the market. And the trackpad, very smooth texture as well as a precise response. I am impressed at this point. This is also a touchscreen, so I could just reach up at any point and touch the display if I choose to. All right, so let's get a taste for this display. This video, I mean, you've obviously seen this video, right? You can't skip this bit. Look at that thing. Alright, so I told you. Ooh, so far display 4K. Oh man, that's an image. Now the speakers, I don't know, are they good or let's turn it up.
The cool thing with this,
I'm not liking these speakers so much right now. Let me load up some SoundCloud. I would sort of put them in like the average territory. I think people are gonna be more inclined to use headsets anyways. Is it me or was with the game on? Does these speakers sound a bit better? In PUBG here, these speakers sound a little bit better. We're gonna see what this thing is like in its wheelhouse. This is PUBG in 4K, 3840 UHD. One thing I can guarantee you guys is that this is not gonna last long. Oh, wow, that's a nice little weapon straight away. I'll take that. Let's go find someone. 86 alive. The sound effects, they sound so much better than these speakers did with music. Someone's in a vehicle. Where is that? Oh! Look at this maniac. Oh! He got me. That's why a lot of people are gravitating towards Razer in the first place. They want the GPU and so on. But as I said before, there's different ways you can spec out this laptop to suit however you see yourself using it. Starting at $1899 with a 1080p 60 hertz display, and then all the way up to the model that I tested here, $2899 for the 15.6 4K display, and then the 144 hertz versions in the middle. Something to mention, the weight of the device does change depending on your screen choice as well. The entry-level model actually definitely the most portable. It's gaming, it's for gamers, it can game, but at the same time, it sort of has the appeal that like a MacBook does for creative professionals, where it's a simple design. It's not screaming at you, I'm a gamer. You don't just game on there, that becomes your main laptop. You spend a fortune on it. So do you want it to only distinguish one part of you, even though you do all these other things on that system? It's your work laptop, it's your creative laptop, and it's your gaming laptop. And I think Razer, from a design and brand perspective, has done a good job of finding that balance. So there you have it, the brand new Blade. I have a link in the description if you want to learn more about the specs or see the other models. It's power when you need it, it's simplicity when you don't. It's kind of a do-everything type of setup. Today's episode of Unbox Therapy has been brought to you by Hims. I have one of their kits in front of me right here, and this one is specifically for male hair loss. In here, you've got a shampoo as well as a topical solution and even a multivitamin supplement that can help you keep your hair. You might not know this, but hair loss, for example, affects 66% of men by the age of 35. Now, obviously, it might be something that's uncomfortable for you to talk about, so that's why Hims exists. You can go to their website without the awkwardness of necessarily making an appointment with your doctor. You can address whatever it is that's bothering you. So on their site, they have products to address hair loss, as well as various other uncomfortable men's health issues. Now, they've got a special deal for Unbox Therapy viewers. You can get the comprehensive hair kit for only $5 by using the link down in the description or heading over to forhims.com/unbox. Thanks again to Hims for sponsoring this episode.